according to testimonies all over the places among the investors and shareholders. Now, this registrar is going to be spun off the banking institution, which is First Bank, very soon. What should be the expectations on the part of shareholders and investors?
It's not news again that CBN policy does not allow banking group to have registrars, and because of this, the bank, of course, had no choice but to sell off. I can confirm to you that we're in the process of selling off. We have some bidders, and the bidding process is almost being concluded. Impact on shareholders of First Bank is twofold. One, of course, they are losing the stream of income that will come on a yearly basis to the pool of the bank. However, the immediate profit that will be realized by the bank from the sale of the registrar will hit the P&L of First Bank this financial year. So that's good news to the shareholder. But I can assure the shareholder, not just of First Bank, but all the clientele company that we have as First Registrars, they will still continue to enjoy the same good services that we are known with. I can't say as a matter of factly who will win at the end of the day, but I can tell you that the process is on, and whoever wins at the end of the day, I believe to some extent will still keep the team that is there now. And of course, if the team is still there, they will still deliver the same services to all the esteemed shareholders of our client companies.
Okay, so let's look at the companies that have delisted from the Nigerian Stock Exchange and they still have their registrations with you, with First Bank, with First Registrars. What are some of the challenges that are involved in this, considering trying to claim the dividends and trying to follow up on their registrations?
Let me say two things. One, the fact that you are delisted on the floor of the exchange does not mean that the dividend that has been declared before is gone. You still contact the registrar to claim your dividend. Of course, dividend does not become status bound after 12 years. Even after 12 years, the only thing is that you cannot sue or be sued on that money. However, you can still collect your money. So the fact that you are delisted does not mean your dividend cannot be claimed if it is still outstanding. But we also have some registers that we are registrars to, and are not listed on the stock exchange. They are PLCs, but they are not listed. They have shareholders 1,000, 5,000. So it doesn't mean that you, as a company, as a PLC, it doesn't mean necessarily you must be listed. So those ones, of course, they collect their dividend whether they are listed or not. The most important thing is that the company is operating and they are paying. But for those that are no longer operating, for example, by PHB that has been delisted, of course, the former shareholders who have outstanding dividend can still write to us, we pay them their dividend.
Okay, briefly, so let's look at the unclaimed dividends as regards the 2011 results declared and being celebrated currently. I think about 9.83% of the dividends are unclaimed so far. Tell us about this whole situation of unclaimed dividends and the developments so far as regards positivity.
Generally, people have been talking about the quantum of unclaimed dividend. Yes, it's large for something billion or whatever, but my question has always been, what is the percentage of unclaimed dividend vis-a-vis that dividend has been declared in the past few years? It's less than 10%. In fact, it's about 5 to 6%. And if within 2-3 years you are able to clear that, I don't think the registers have done badly. I'm not saying there should be unclaimed dividend, but there are a lot of factors. Those are the factors that we should look at. What are the factors that contributed to this unclaimed dividend? And there are many. One of them is people changing addresses without informing registrars. Others are, and that one is the major, the bulk, of people who could not claim their money because of, one, it is a small amount of money, or two, because they have savings account and they can claim it. And we have been calling on the CBN to compare the banks to collect dividend to shareholders account that have savings account. Recently, we're working with Stock Exchange, with SEC, with CSCS, to be able to convince CBN to compel, or is it compel, or to make it compulsory that banks, after maybe taking some KYC or whatever steps, allow dividend into savings account. And I can assure you, if that is allowed, becomes operational now, you will see that the quantum of unclaimed dividend will go down. Because, like I said, lack of information. People don't inform us. They move addresses. Two, a lot of people are yet to imbibe the e-payment culture. They are yet to subscribe to the e-payment, which is free of charge. All you need to do is give us your bank details, and your money will be going. And this is safer, it's faster. The same day dividend is payable, you get your money. So there's no reason why anybody should not key into it. But a lot of people still believe this culture of I want to see it physical. But hey, it doesn't really matter. The earlier you get your money, the better for you. The time value of money is there. So I use this medium to encourage every shareholder to key into the e-payment platform of all the registrars, not only first registrars. All registrars are doing that now.